We've reached the 5-year mark since the world shut down due to the COVID-19 pandemic, with rapid changes happening all around us in the years since. 12 News' Daniel Curran spoke with residents on their time in lockdown of 2020.
5 years ago, the world was in a state of emergency as the COVID-19 pandemic was in its initial breakouts. For Americans, this represented a time of social distancing, online tasks, and constant health and safety risks. Deborah Proby was living in Manhattan with her mother in 2020, a place that saw some of the most infections throughout the world.
It was a very scary time because it was so many people got sick there. And I was just very fortunate that I didn't. Even our caregivers got sick. But yeah, it was a sad time.
Brooktondale resident Ron Van Ormer was one of millions of New Yorkers who's tested positive for COVID since 2020. Though he nor any of his loved ones were too negatively affected, he said he felt many of the usual symptoms.
I think what a lot of people felt is a really bad cold. I think the most thing I remember the most is just being how fatiguing it was.
Ithaca resident David Smith was working as a teacher this time 5 years ago. Like many of us, he struggled with the transition to remote work as he did his job from home.
We had to move rapidly from in-person instruction to an online teaching format that we just weren't really ready for. So that was difficult, trying to teach from home with children running around and poor internet connection and things like that.
Half a decade later, residents agree that COVID brought several changes to the world, some that are still intact today. Daniel Curran, 12 News.